Hey, it's Kay. Hope you're feeling cute today. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed that Squid Game intro. And with that, for today's video, we're going to do a makeup look inspired by Squid Game. For the makeup look, we're taking inspiration from Saebyeok, or as we all know as Jung Ho-yeon. We're not gonna copy her look entirely because as you can see, I have long blonde hair and Saebyeok has short black hair with bangs. But we're going to try to recreate her makeup look. And this is also how I think I would look like if I was in Squid Game. Okay, so let's start. I'm just applying my base with my usual L'Oreal foundation and this beauty blender. We're not going to use too much foundation to achieve that skin-like look. It looks really light on camera because of the lighting, but in person, it's actually not that bad. And then I use this contour palette just to add some shade to my face because it's looking a little flat. I applied it under my cheekbones and on my temples. And then I used the same shade of bronzer to shape my nose line. Next thing that we're going to do is my brows. For this one, I just sprayed some face mist onto my brow spoolie that's very dirty, please don't look at it. And then I used that to apply some brow soap onto my brows. I brushed my brows several times to make it look thicker. And since I keep forgetting to buy a new spoolie, I ordered it right away, just in case I might forget again. Anyways, let's now move on to the eye makeup. For my eyes, I'm using this eyeshadow palette that I got as a gift. I don't remember the name, but I'll put the link down below so you can go check it out as well. I'm using this light brown shade. And I'm so sorry if you can see my pores. My camera has this blurring effect that you can't see my pores from far away, but since this is close up, you can see it already. Anyways, I just applied the same shade of brown generously on my eye bags to make it look darker and more saggy. I also used this pointed brush to apply it on my outer corners. But since it looked very harsh, I used this blending brush to blend it all out. To add more depth, I used this darker shade of brown on my outer corners and blended it again with the same blending brush. And to make the eye bags look more saggy, I used this darkest shade of brown to brush it lightly under my eye bags. And to make it even more saggy, I used this flat brush to draw like lines under my eye bags. And then just so I don't look really pale, I also put a little bit of blush. And now for the hardest part of this makeup look. We're gonna try to put some fake freckles, and I used 3 methods for this one. The first method that I did was to use the smallest flat brush that I have. I sprayed a little bit of face mist onto it to take some of the bronzer that I used earlier and apply it on my face like this.
The spots were looking a little harsh, so I blended it with this brush. And then for the second method, we're using the tip of that same brush to apply the same shade of bronzer. It was looking a little harsh, so I blended that as well. And then for the third method, I learned this from Riza Kontawi's YouTube video. She did Saebyeok's makeup look so well and she nailed that so much. I'm going to put the link down below. And yeah, so for this one, I just used the darkest shade of bronzer that I have and I put it in a little container like this. And then I added some face mist. And then I used this clean toothbrush to make some splashes of freckles onto my cheeks and also my nose area. I'm not sure if I'm explaining this right, but you can see it in the video, so I hope that helps.
Tingin nga.
Hindi na tapos! Trust the process.
May kamukha ka.
Wala akong kamukha.
I might have went a little overboard, so I just used this blending brush to blend it all out.
Kamukha mo na spicy chicken yung niluto namin.
At least spicy.
And now it's time to do the lips. First off, I applied this lightest shade of nude lipstick that I have on the outer parts of my lips. And then I used the darker shade of nude lipstick on the inner parts of my lips, and then I blended it all out. And lastly, I used this pinkish red lipstick on the inner parts just to add a little bit of color. And that's it! And now let's do my hair. So for my hair, I'm not really doing much. I'm just fixing my bangs because as you can see here, they're totally separated. I shortened my bangs a little bit because they were longer than I wanted. And then I used my curling iron to make it look fuller. Honestly, this is the best that I can do with my hair. And it's okay because you're in Squid Game. It's a survival game. Your hair isn't supposed to look perfect, but we still need to look cute. Anyways, I also got this Squid Game jacket and I'm so excited about it. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below so you can check it out as well. And yeah, this is the finished hair and makeup look and I hope you like it. And also, here's a little montage for you.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.